Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Look what's going on today. Have you guys checked the chart? I'm sure you probably have. If you're holders, you're probably checking out your wallet and looking at the bullish momentum on the Kaspa chart today. It is absolutely awesome to see. So we're going to jump into what we're looking at in terms of price action and what we can expect in the coming days. So make sure you smash the like button on this video, and you also subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency news. I cover Kaspa all the time on my channel because I fundamentally believe that Kaspa has the ability to become a top cryptocurrency. They're already in the top 30, and I think that they have a lot more room to grow. So let's go have a look at the cryptocurrency market today, up 1.87%. Bitcoin sitting about just over 69K. And let's take a look at the top gainers in the cryptocurrency market. We see Kaspa sitting here. It was actually number one when I sat down to create this video. However, it's still not a minor thing to look at because, I mean, look, we're up 15% almost in the last 24 hours and 15% in the last 7 days, and also about 50% in the past 30 days. So as you guys know, I did get my entry into Kaspa last month, and it's been nothing short of an epic ride so far. So let's jump into what's going on here today. So sitting at 16.7 cents. So we're going to look at what can happen with the price action over the next little while. So the market continues to display mixed sentiment as top tokens display neutral price action, whereas mid cap and lower cap tokens are recording some significant price action. Kaspa's price has recorded a surge, like I mentioned, 328% in its trading volume, and added approximately, well, we've seen it's even more than 10% with the past 24 hours. Moreover, it's added a lot more in the last 7 days and about 50%, not 40, in the last 30 days. This article was likely written a couple hours ago. So this is indicating a bullish outlook for the altcoin this month. But after displaying a bearish price action in April, we saw, the downward momentum, the sideways action, that kind of stuff. Bulls regained some momentum, and the altcoin recorded a jump of 30% within the next few days. And the price traded close to its resistance level for a little bit at about 14 cents. The bulls recently broke out of the resistance level by adding approximately 10% within the past 2 days. So another look at the chart here. This also shows the moving averages and such, and the MACD here as well. So the EMA 50 and 200 day show a bullish price pattern on the 1 day time frame, which the 1 day is certainly a good place to start if you're looking at a little bit longer outlook, right? So the MACD shows a consistent green histogram indicating an increase in the buying over selling pressure. And it's holding the price above the support level of 14 cents. Like I mentioned, we're at 16.3 right now. And, if the momentum keeps going, we could test the upper resistance level of 18.3. But if we happen to lose momentum and test support level of 14 and happen to fail that, the lower support level of 11.6 could come into play. I don't see that happening anytime in the next little while. I think that we are going to get a little bit of a run up for Kaspa, in my opinion. And then, obviously, we'll have to wait and see what the rest of the cryptocurrency market does. But, Kaspa sometimes is not correlated to Bitcoin in terms of sometimes it runs on its own instead of following the overall market. So it's a little bit harder to predict in that sense. But, things are definitely looking good. I saw the chart last month and I thought, I think that this is going to go just with the consolidation, the downward movement that we had, and, the strong support levels that were in place there as well. So that's where I took my entry point. So yeah, I actually called it yesterday, 18 hours ago. Sooner than later, Kaspa is going to pop off and FOMO is going to be real. And then today told you guys Kaspa has liftoff. Not that I know everything. I was just, anticipating something going on, and it just happened to come true. Like you guys know, I do a lot of research, and I do a lot of, reading about technical analysis. Am I an analyst myself? I don't consider myself to be an analyst. However, I do like to take data and kind of put it together and form my own opinion. So, whatever happens there, right? So that's what I got for you guys in this video. So Kaspa is on a tear today, and super nice to see. So we're going to keep an eye on things. I gave you guys the support and resistance levels to watch out for, so you guys can figure that out on your own. If it's, if it's something you need to take profits on, depending on your trading plan, obviously you guys can make that decision for yourselves. I'm holding on to my Kaspa right now. This is a long-term play for me. So I'm not taking profits whatsoever. I'm up a fair bit right now, but I'm about to let it ride because I think Kaspa has a ton of room to grow. Tier 1 exchanges, smart contracts. We have a lot to look forward to. That's what I got for you guys in this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.